streets of Bone City where crimes run deep. Two dog detectives never miss a beat. Dax the shepherd, smart and sly, a master of puzzles with a piercing eye. And Magoo the pug, though he can't hear or see, has a nose so sharp it's legendary. Together they solve the unsolvable crimes, tracking down villains one sniff at a time. Dax and Magoo, they're hot on the trail. Through feathers and chaos they'll never fail. A chicken hybrid is causing the fuss, but these two hounds will bring justice to us. Who's clucking in the shadows, leaving feathers behind? A chicken-human hybrid with a criminal mind. Dax and Magoo, the best in town. They're sniffing out justice, they won't back down. The case begins with a sinister clue. Feathers and footprints, some leftover poo. It's poultry, Magoo, Dax confidently barks. But Magoo sniffs deeper, finds hidden marks. There's corn in the mix, a faint scent of rye and sulfur. He's nearby, he just walked by. They chase through alleys, the rooftops, the fog. A cunning villain, no match for these dogs. Dax and Magoo, they're solving the crime. A chicken hybrid is running out of time. He's smart, he's slick, but they're tougher too. Nothing gets past Dax and Magoo. Who's clucking in the shadows, leaving feathers behind? A chicken-human hybrid with a criminal mind. Dax and Magoo are the best in town. They're slipping out justice, they won't back down. The Chicken Cluck Killer has tricks up his sleeve, setting traps so deadly you wouldn't believe. But Dax is a thinker, he's 2 steps ahead, and Magoo's no sniffs out where others dread. They corner the villain in his lair full of bones. Dax growls, "It's over, we've tracked you home." The villain squawks loudly, leaps to escape, but Magoo blocks the door with a heroic scrape. Dax and Magoo, they've cracked the case. The Chicken Cluck Killer is losing the race. Through wit and a nose, they've brought him down. Two dog detectives, the best around. They found the clucker in the shadows, leaving feathers behind. A chicken-human hybrid with a criminal mind. Dax and Magoo, the best in town. They've sniffed out justice, brought the villain down. Now Bone City sleeps, its fears put to rest, thanks to 2 dogs who are simply the best. With a wag and a bark, they're off for their prize. A steak for Dax and for Magoo, chicken and fries. So if danger calls and you don't know what to do, call the top-notch team of Dax and Magoo.